Hey everybody, this is Mike Doretto from the Infinite Man Academy and SashaPUA.com coming at you today with a quick little sex tip about how to get us more present and focused in the moment when we're up in our heads and distracted. And for some of you, I'm gonna say this and you're gonna be like, duh, Mike, like I use this all the time. And other people are gonna be like, Mike, you're a freak. All right, so for you people, listen up. The advice is a little bit of pain. All right, and I don't mean a lot of pain, I mean a little bit of pain. Pain focuses the mind, it sharpens you, it clears that brain fog. I don't know if you've ever been tired, you've been sort of dragging ass all day, and then you stub your toe, or better yet, you pinch your finger, you get like a sharp pain or something. Does that wake you up? Wakes me up, sharpens me right up. If you were to then throw some like math problems in front of me, I'd probably be like, bam, 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 done, right? Because I'm focused, because, you know, that pain lights up all of your senses. So how do we bring this into the bedroom? Well, we can do this surreptitiously, we can do this secretively, or we can make it a part of the playtime. So that half of you that I said already is finding me redundant, that's what they do. That's more the BDSM type scene where they bring spanking or flogging or biting or scratching or any of that kind of stuff into the bedroom as a part of playtime. And a lot of the times this is a warm-up. This comes early in the play session because of the effects that it has on focusing the brain and getting you into that kind of mind space. For some people, there's even a term, there's an experience they refer to as subspace, and they call that's usually submissives go into this mental zone where they're, you know, when they're being played with in a floggy or spanky or bondage type of fashion, right? It's like a whole different mental state you can go into. Pretty cool.
You better be focused and obedient. Have I made myself clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Stay here and wait for your mistress to return.
Now, for those of us who aren't into the BDSM stuff, we can still kind of use this stuff on our own and secretly. Easiest one, and I actually use this to help me if I'm ever distracted while driving, I do this in the car to help me, and that's really hard smack on the thigh. And it could be smacky, or it could be thuddy, you know, cup hand for the thud, whatever works for you. A little smack on the inside of the thigh or the top of the leg, you feel that pain, that can sharpen you up. If you've done any competitive sports, or not competitive, well, yeah, competitive sports, but combat sports specifically, you might have noticed people, UFC fighters or whatever, they smack themselves and they get themselves all warmed up and fired up. Ooh, that worked. That worked for me just now. I didn't even realize how foggy I was. Okay, so there's smacking. Now that's a little obvious. This is something you could maybe run off into the bathroom and do or whatever so she doesn't see your pre-sex warm-up. But a nice two secret ones are pinching yourself or biting your own lip. Now, we do want to be careful with these things because we don't want to go and hurt ourselves. We're not trying to make ourselves bleed. But I've used this trick a lot where I've let myself become distracted during sex somehow. You know, something happened and I'm thinking about work, or I'm thinking about, you know, what I need to do tomorrow instead of what's right in front of me. So in those moments, I'll bite my lip a little bit and it'll bring me back into the present moment. It'll get me focused, because first my mind gets focused on the pain, which takes me away of whatever, you know, of what I was doing before. And then with that newfound focus, I can go, oh yeah, let me pay attention to what I'm supposed to be paying attention to, and I can redirect that focus. So that's it, guys. That's a quick little tip for you to use. Hope you have lots of sexy time so you get the chance to use that often. And if you need any help with this, any help with having more frequent sex, give us a call. You can find our link to the training application in the notes below, and we hope to hear from you. In the meantime, get out there and be ballsy.
It was all great, except for the fact that you can't see anything from your belly button down.
That's all right. They get it.
But, yeah. But no, it was good.